Good day everyone. Today we have two travel clocks here. Both are equity and I think they've got the same movement. Let's have a look. There you can see there are a lot of plastic gears and parts. There's the balance at the bottom. This is the top. Okay, this is the plastic one. I think this one is made in China and this one is made in Hong Kong. But they are actually the same. I think they just had different factories at different locations. This cover is actually part of the bell for the alarm. Okay, there you can see it. Metal, brass and aluminium, I think. And are they actually the same? Let's look at this Chinese one again. Okay, they're tilted a little bit, but they look similar. The button positions could be the same, but what we want to do now is to see whether a clock with plastic gears really runs more difficult than one with metal gears, or if it even runs at all. Just gonna put this one aside. Twist. Let's get a winder butterfly. Okay, so let's see how many turns it will take for it to start ticking. That's half a turn. Full turn, okay, it's starting. You can see the escapement, all plastic. Runs equally well in different positions. Okay, so we can put this one aside and look at the metal one. The frame is loose, there's a missing screw there. Okay, let's watch that balance. It's half a turn. Full turn. One and a half. 2. Okay, it's crawling. 2.5. I think this should be enough. You don't want to overwind it. Okay, it's crawling to a walk. Okay, maybe it could just be the loop. Needs a cleaning and new loop. I wouldn't say that this is a reason that metal is worse than plastic. But what I can say is I think plastic don't need any loop, and it's plastic in itself is almost like a waxy loop. And I think plastic also, the behavior of plastic under pressure is different than that of metal. If you put more pressure on plastic, maybe it will allow more resistance, which is a good thing for the escapement, because the more pressure you put on it, the less it will try to run faster on the balance, so it will have a more constant tempo, more constant time keeping on different mainspring pressures. But there you can see the hand gears all plastic. Even the gear next to the mainspring, you can see some track there on it. Maybe just a footprint of the metal gear, but not really wear. Anyway, both of them I think are still in a good condition, still running. Maybe this one just needs some cleaning, new loop. And thanks for watching.